Good morning, everyone. I'm Ali, a PhD student at the University of Valladolid. Today I'm going to present my poster titled Growth Resilience in Various Compartments of Scotch Pine Under Drought, Comparison between Pure and Mixed Stand Conditions. Well, now it's known that climate change is increasing the intensity and the severity and the frequency of the drought events, impacting the trees' health, and in this way impacting also the carbon storing in forests in general. And normally research is now using data measured at, let's say, from stem at 1.3 meters, or it's known as DPH, height, breast height. And so in this way, this might not reflect, let's say, fully capture the impact of the environmental stressors, like, for example, drought events in forests. So in this way, some studies now, or recent studies, are using data, let's say, from, or combining, let's say, tree rings analysis from roots and from stems to better, let's say, understand the growth dynamics in forest. In our study, we are, let's say, extending more the framework of the interchronological framework, trying to use tree rings from stem, branches, roots, in addition to height growth series. So our main objective of this study is to compare the resistance and resilience and recovery in dry years at the tree compartment level, meaning branch and the roots and the stem, in Scotch pine growing in mixed and pure stand with beech. So our study was conducted in southeastern Germany in 2 different sites. We selected about 30 trees and, so these trees were sampled from roots and stem and height also, and we used this data to construct chronologies. This chronologies was further used to quantify the resilience components and in relation to with different variables like DPH and site conditions and admixture and the SPEI, which is the standardized precipitation evaporation index. So far we found that resistance is influenced, is actually in all the compartments is site dependent normally, and the drought intensity was almost always affecting in the let's say branches and stem. And in mixed stands, we found that resilience in branches, it was enhanced in terms of the drought. But when it wasn't the case, when the drought was more, let's say, more intense, then it was more for the moderate drought events. So, and for the recovery, for example, it was we found that all these variables were sensitive to recovery growth recovery in the rest of the compartment, except for the height growth. And for the mixing effect at the end, it was okay. So sorry.
Finish, please.
Okay, so for mixing effect, it was just significant for the resilience of branches, but not for the rest of the compartment, which and it's something important to mention that in pure stands, we found a positive relationship between resistance in branch and stem, and also between stem and roots, just in pure stands, indicating different patterns between pure and mixed stands, which this can indicate to that stem is not always the best representative of the overall growth of the tree. So, thank you.